Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to our channel Botany with YouTube. Today I am here PhD scholar. I am going to present a topic actinomycetes. Content, definition, example, classification, significances, nutrition, distribution and ecology, morphological characters, side effects, cure and reproduction. Actinomycetes are gram-positive bacteria and rod-shaped bacteria. They form spores. Actinomycetes are most abundant in soil. Actinomycetes are connective link between bacteria and fungi. For example, Streptococcus. Classification. The main kingdom is bacteria. Phylum Actinobacteria. Subclass Actinobacteriidae. Order Actinomycetes. Significance or importance and uses of actinomycetes. Actinomycetes play an important role in breaking down various material in the soil. They play an important role in agriculture that help in recycling, and this material is used in plants. They play an important role in some enzyme formation. If you are new in our channel, then please try to subscribe our channel Botany with YouTube. You can see here logo of Botany channel. Nutrition. Actinomycetes depend upon organic material that is obtained by dead organic matter. For example, cellulose and chitin. Distribution and ecology of actinomycetes. Actinomycetes are widely distributed in world because they can live in many environments and exhibit highly versatility in nutrition. This allows the actinobacteria to survive in every environment. Actinomycetes are widely used in breakdown of various organic matter and also involved in the breakdown of cellulose and hydrocarbons. You can see here diagram. Morphological characteristics of actinomycetes. Morphological similarities between actinomycetes and fungi has been partially attributed to adaptation of same habitat. Actinomycetes alternate many spores and hyphal growth. The spore formation in actinomycete is characterized by septation at several intervals of aerial hyphae. During sporulation, the nuclear membrane has been divided at the septum, ultimately divided at the septation process, and a thick wall forms around every spore. That is, new material is added to the wall. Life cycle of actinomycetes. Aerial hyphae, coiling, septation, spore, maturation, spore release, free spores fall down on ground and germination start, substrate hyphae formed. Substrate hyphae then form aerial branches or aerial hyphae. You can see here the logo of Botany channel. Share our channel with your other friends, colleagues and other researchers. Size. The size of actinomycete is 1 to 2 micrometer in diameter. Reproduction. The reproduction take place in actinomycete is mostly of two types: aerobic reproduction and anaerobic reproduction. The main point is here that mostly the aerobic occur in the environment and anaerobic is very rare in the environment. Actinomycetes are bacteria or fungi. Actinomycetes are prokaryotic organisms that are classified into bacteria but are unique enough to be discussed individually. Actinomycetes also exhibit filamentous branches, then fragment change into bacilli or cocci. Diagram. Does actinomycetes grow on blood agar? Yes, actinomycete can be grown on culture blood agar media at 37 degrees Celsius. Other enriched media can be used for actinomycetes isolation, brain heart infusion, broth and brucella, blood agar with hemin and vitamin K1. You can see here the diagram. Cases. Actinomycete comprises 50 to 70% cases. This infection typically occur due to oral surgery and in patients with poor dental hygiene. Botany with YouTube is our channel. Like our video and share with your other friends, colleagues and researchers. Side effects of actinomycetes. Mostly people have actinomycete bacteria in their throat, digestive tract and urinary tracts also affected by it. Female genital tract. The bacteria live harmlessly in the body but they become dangerous if they spread out their usual environment. You can see here in diagram how it affect the oral cavity. Happening. Actinomycetes happen with the help of bacteria that live in our body and they with bacteria when tissues damage occur in our body. Mostly people have this bacteria in the lining of mouth throat, vaginal tract and their most common effect in nose and throat. Cure. Mostly actinomycetes are cured by high doses of penicillin, and if allergic problem occurred, the doctor suggests you to take antibiotics such as tetracycline. By these antibiotics, the person that was infected by actinomycetes are cured. Thanks for your concentration, for your attention. Thanks to visit our channel. Good luck to all of you. Allah Hafiz.